Lumding is a small town in Assam, nestled amidst the lush green hills that paint a picturesque landscape. It lies in the Hojai district, a region known for its natural beauty and cultural richness. The town is renowned for its lush greenery, with dense forests and vibrant vegetation that create a serene environment. It is a hidden gem of the region, often overlooked but brimming with natural splendor. Lumding sits at the foothills of the Barail Range, offering breathtaking views and a tranquil atmosphere. It is located at 25.75 degrees north latitude and 93.17 degrees east longitude, marking its unique position on the map. The town is an important railway junction, serving as a critical link in the region's transportation network. It connects Assam to other parts of India, facilitating travel and commerce. Lumding's history is intertwined with the railways, reflecting its long-standing significance in the area. The town was a vital link during World War II, playing a crucial role in the transportation of troops and supplies. Today, it remains an important transportation hub, bustling with activity and connecting people from various regions. But Lumding is more than just a railway town. It is a sanctuary of natural beauty and tranquility. It is a place of natural beauty, where the landscapes are painted with vibrant hues of green. It is a paradise for nature lovers, offering numerous trails and spots to explore and enjoy. The town is surrounded by forests, providing a haven for wildlife and a retreat for those seeking peace. Rivers and waterfalls add to its charm, creating a soothing symphony of nature's sounds. Lumding is a place where one can reconnect with nature, finding solace and rejuvenation. The air is fresh and clean, a refreshing change from the hustle and bustle of city life. The pace of life is slow and relaxed, allowing residents and visitors to truly unwind. Lumding is a melting pot of cultures where diverse communities come together. People from different communities live together in harmony, celebrating their unique traditions and shared values. The town has a rich cultural heritage, with numerous sites and events that reflect its vibrant history. It is a place where one can experience the true spirit of Assam, immersing in its traditions and natural beauty. Close to Lumding lies the Nambor Wildlife Sanctuary. It spans over 37 square kilometers. This sanctuary is a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. It boasts a rich variety of flora and fauna. Elephants roam freely in this protected area. The sanctuary is also home to tigers and leopards. These elusive cats are a rare sight to behold, but their presence adds to the allure of Nambor. Other inhabitants include hulock gibbons and wild pigs. The sanctuary echoes with the calls of various bird species. The Nambor River flows through the sanctuary. It adds to the scenic beauty of the place. The river is also a source of life for the animals and birds here. Visitors can take a jeep safari to explore the sanctuary. Trekking is another way to experience the wilderness. The Nambor Wildlife Sanctuary is a treasure trove of biodiversity. It is a reminder of the importance of conservation. A visit to this sanctuary is an unforgettable experience. It is a chance to witness the wonders of the natural world. Beyond Nambor, Lumding is enveloped in lush forests. The Lumding Forest Reserve is one such expanse, a sanctuary of greenery that stretches as far as the eye can see. It is a contiguous stretch of greenery, a living, breathing entity that supports a myriad of life forms. The reserve is home to a variety of wildlife. Elephants, deer, and wild boars are commonly sighted. These animals roam freely, thriving in their natural habitat. The forest reserve is also a vital migration route, a lifeline for many species. Animals move between Nambor and other forest patches, ensuring their survival and continuity. This movement ensures genetic diversity, which is essential for the health of the ecosystem. It is crucial for the long-term survival of these species, allowing them to adapt and thrive. The Forest Department actively patrols the area, ensuring the safety of the wildlife. They protect the wildlife from poaching and habitat loss, preserving this natural haven. Adding to Lumding's natural wonders is the Belugat waterfall, a breathtaking sight. It is a sight to behold, especially during the monsoon season when the water flow is at its peak. The water cascades down rocky cliffs, creating a mesmerizing display of nature's power. It creates a thunderous roar and a misty spray, adding to the sensory experience. The waterfall is a popular picnic spot, attracting visitors from near and far. Visitors can enjoy the cool spray and the scenic beauty, making it a perfect getaway. There are also opportunities for swimming and fishing, adding to the recreational appeal. The waterfall is surrounded by dense vegetation, enhancing its natural charm. It adds to the tranquility of the place, offering a serene escape from the hustle and bustle of daily life. The Belugat waterfall is a testament to nature's raw power and beauty, a true gem in the heart of Lumding. Lumding is a paradise for birdwatchers. Over 200 species of birds call this place home. The avifaunal diversity is truly impressive. Birdwatchers can spot a variety of species. These include hornbills, barbets, and woodpeckers. The forests and wetlands around Lumding provide ample habitat. They offer food and shelter to these feathered creatures. The winter months are particularly rewarding for birdwatching. Migratory birds from the Himalayas flock to the warmer regions. The best time to spot these birds is early in the morning. The air is fresh and the birds are most active. Birdwatchers can hire local guides. These guides are knowledgeable about the best birding spots. They can help identify different species. Birdwatching in Lumding is a peaceful and rewarding experience. It allows one to connect with nature in its purest form. The melodious calls of the birds fill the air. It creates a symphony of sounds that is both soothing and enchanting. Section 5. Gateway to National Treasures. Lumding is not just a destination in itself, it is a charming town nestled in the heart of Assam, surrounded by lush greenery and picturesque landscapes. But what makes Lumding truly special is its strategic location. It also serves as a gateway to two of Assam's most famous national parks, making it a perfect starting point for nature enthusiasts and wildlife lovers. Kaziranga National Park is about 150 kilometers from Lumding. This park is renowned worldwide for its incredible biodiversity and conservation efforts. It is a UNESCO World Heritage Site, recognized for its unique natural environment and the protection of endangered species. The park is home to the one-horned rhinoceros, a symbol of conservation success in India. Visitors can take a jeep safari or an elephant ride to explore the park, offering a unique way to experience the wilderness. They can witness these magnificent creatures up close, creating memories that will last a lifetime. Kaziranga is also home to tigers, elephants, and wild water buffaloes, making it a haven for wildlife enthusiasts. The park is a haven for birdwatchers as well, with over 500 species of birds recorded here. Nameri National Park is another gem located near Lumding. This park offers a different yet equally captivating experience. It is about 180 kilometers away, making it a convenient day trip or weekend getaway. The park is known for its scenic beauty. With the Jia Baroli River adding to its charm, it is home to a variety of wildlife, including some rare and endangered species. Elephants, tigers, and leopards roam freely in this protected area, offering a glimpse into the wild heart of Assam. Nameri is also a popular spot for river rafting, attracting adventure seekers from all over. The Jia Baroli River flows through the park, offering thrilling rapids that challenge even experienced rafters. The park is a paradise for nature lovers and adventure enthusiasts alike, with numerous trails and activities to enjoy. Lumding's proximity to these national parks makes it an ideal base for exploring the region, offering a perfect blend of adventure and tranquility. Section 6. The Rhythm of the Seasons. Lumding experiences a tropical climate. The weather is warm and humid throughout the year. The monsoon season arrives in June and lasts till September. The rains transform the landscape. The forests come alive with lush greenery. Waterfalls cascade with renewed vigor. The winter months, from November to February, are pleasant and mild. The weather is ideal for outdoor activities. The summer months, from March to May, are hot and humid, but the evenings are generally cool. The changing seasons bring about a unique charm to Lumding. Each season paints the landscape with its own hues. The flora and fauna adapt to the changing rhythms of nature. The cycle of life continues, offering a spectacle for those who observe. The best time to visit Lumding is during the winter or the post-monsoon season. Section 7. A Tapestry of Cultures. Lumding is a melting pot of cultures. The town is home to people from various communities. These include Assamese, Bengali, and Hindi-speaking communities. Each community has its own unique traditions and customs. The people of Lumding are known for their warm hospitality. They welcome visitors with open arms. The local cuisine is a delightful blend of flavors. It reflects the diverse cultural influences. Rice is the staple food. It is served with a variety of dishes. These include fish curry, meat preparations, and lentil soup. Lumding is also known for its tea. The tea gardens in the surrounding areas produce some of the finest tea in the world. Visitors can enjoy a cup of freshly brewed tea. They can savor the flavors of this aromatic beverage. The cultural vibrancy of Lumding adds to its charm. It offers a glimpse into the rich heritage of Assam. Section 8. Lumding beckons. Embrace the tranquility. Lumding is a hidden gem in the heart of Assam. It is a place where nature's beauty unfolds at every turn. From its lush forests and cascading waterfalls to its rich avifaunal diversity, Lumding offers a sanctuary for nature lovers. The town's proximity to Kaziranga and Nameri national parks makes it an ideal base for exploring the region's wildlife treasures. The tropical climate ensures pleasant weather throughout the year. Lumding's cultural vibrancy adds to its charm, offering a glimpse into the rich heritage of Assam. Whether you seek adventure, tranquility, or simply a break from the hustle and bustle of city life, Lumding welcomes you with open arms. Come immerse yourself in the serenity of this hidden natural gem and create memories that will last a lifetime.